Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am here guys sharing another DIY with you. As you can tell from the title, I am DIYing a mirror with these are mostly Poundland items. And let me just go ahead and share what I'm working with today. I've got some cake boards, they're like this. And I've got two of those. I have got a mirror. I've got my spray paint, and I am using these. These are the backing of a picture frame. I use them for a DIY. I use the frames for a DIY, and I kept these because I think that there must be something that I would be able to do with these. And I've just taken off the clips, and I'm going to be using these today to create a frame for my mirror. And I've got my E6000 and my glue gun. So if you're interested in seeing how I do this, keep watching guys. If you are new, welcome. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and join the Xcellence family. So first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to start by, this one is a bit bent, so I'm going to use it for the back of my mirror. I'm going to start by gluing these boards onto my cake board, and these are just the back of the picture frame. So let's go ahead and lay them out, and then I can start gluing. I don't know what design I'm doing yet, but I know I will come up with a design, something that I would like. Here. And just make sure that the tips are actually on the board. Then I want to do this. So let me see if I cover my board. So it will look like a starburst design, I think. Just lay them out, get an idea before I start gluing them together. So I've created like a starburst pattern, so I'm liking this one. So now I'm gonna go ahead and remove these top pieces and start gluing, because I'm happy with this pattern that I've got. So now I am finished gluing it together. I'm going to go ahead and spray paint here because I'm white, and then before I put the other cake board on, I'm going to go ahead and spray paint it. I think it looks like a flower. Yeah, but that's the next thing. I'll go ahead and spray paint this and come back to you guys. So guys, because this wood is a bit untreated, I tried spray painting it and that did not work. So I'm now applying a coat of primer and then I'll spray paint it with my white Rust-Oleum. I think the primer will help the spray paint to adhere to the surface better. So I have just primed it, give it one coat of primer, and I'm gonna go ahead and spray paint it afterwards. So hopefully it comes out the way I like. So guys, now that I've got my frame painted and now it's nice and white, I'm just going to go ahead and, in order for my other cake board to sit nicely on this frame, I'm just going to glue these pieces to give it some height. Just decided to add a little bit more by adding these beads onto it. So I'm just going to go ahead and add these beads. Here is the finished product, guys. I think my mirror turned out so beautifully. It looks like a spring mirror. And if you do enjoy watching this video, go ahead and hit that like button. And also, guys, if you're not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and join my family. I would really appreciate it. So thank you all very much for watching, guys, and have a lovely day and be blessed. I'll see you guys on the next video. I am absolutely crushing on my mirror, and my daughter loves it, and I think it turned out so beautifully. Bye, guys.